Today on Thai Caliente, we're making authentic Mexican rice, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it in the Instant Pot as well as on the stove. Hi guys, I'm Renee and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a recipe for authentic Mexican rice. And I'm actually going to be showing you how to make it in the Instant Pot, but I'll include instructions on how to do it on the stovetop as well. So the ingredients are pretty simple, so let's go ahead and get started on this recipe. To make our sauce for the rice, we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of plain water. Alternatively, you can also use a 1/4 cup of chicken stock, but I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. If your chicken bouillon isn't, if it's low sodium, then you're going to also need to add a little bit of salt to the sauce as well. Next is 2 Roma tomatoes that I've just cut off the tops and sliced them in half, as well as a white onion that I've also cut in half and quartered as well, and 2 whole garlic cloves. So like I said, if you wanted to add a little bit more salt, you could do so at this point. We're going to give it a good blend until it comes out to a nice smooth sauce. I should have mentioned that while you're making the sauce, you also want to rinse your rice very well and let it drain. That way, once we start to sauteing it, it won't be wet. So right now I'm just adding a little bit of oil to my Instant Pot and my drained rice right in there, and then we're just going to saute it till it develops a little bit of color. So I'm going to preface to say that I prefer my Mexican rice made on the stovetop, but I think if you're making a larger batch, maybe 2 to 4 cups of rice, then the Instant Pot does work out nicer because you can have it done more quickly. But I'm still going to show you guys anyway. So I added the tomato sauce. I'm going to lock the lid and put the valve on sealing, and I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. And then once the timer goes off, I'm going to let the steam naturally release for at least 10 minutes and then go ahead and remove the top and release the remaining of the steam. So the reason why I don't prefer the Instant Pot is sometimes the rice can stick to the bottom of the pot, especially if you don't scrape all the rice off in the beginning. So let's show you guys how to make it on the stovetop. So in a saucepan, I just added my oil and my rinsed rice as well, and I'm just going to saute it. Look at that nice sizzle until it gets a little bit of color. Keep stirring it around, and then we're going to go ahead and add our tomato sauce mixture. So when you're making it on the stovetop, your ratio wants to be 1 cup of rice to about 1.5 cups of sauce. So if you don't have enough, then go ahead and add a little bit of water to your tomato mixture. Now that it's simmered, we're gonna put the lid on, don't touch it, and leave it there for 12 minutes. Look at that beautiful rice. It fluffs perfectly with the fork. It shouldn't stick to the bottom of your skillet, and it's just perfectly seasoned, cooked Mexican rice. Serve this Mexican rice with any of your favorite Mexican dishes. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!